Doesn't matter whether you have a big protruding belly that hangs over your belt, or even a smaller protruding belly. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to get rid of it. The body is not supposed to be storing fat right here. And what you have to realize is that actually all of this is a form of energy. Fat is a form of energy. So the question is, why is the body storing energy here instead of burning it? So whenever we eat food, our blood sugar goes up, and then the body will crank out insulin to help stay ahead of this blood sugar. And insulin's job is actually to take the blood sugar and get it out of the blood. Insulin is then going to drive the blood sugar into our cells, whether it's a muscle cell, liver cell, or a fat cell. But you need to remember that whenever insulin is high, our body is very good at storing fat. Our fat cells will actually get larger and larger. And as blood sugar starts to come down, shortly after insulin will follow. But what you need to remember is as insulin goes down, our blood sugar will eventually stop storing fat for fuel, and our body will actually become very efficient at burning fat for fuel. That's what you see in this state here. But in order for this to happen, we need insulin to come down. So as you can see here, we've eaten and we've eaten again. But unfortunately, as blood sugar drops, we usually decide to eat again, which repeats the process and doesn't give insulin the chance to drop. And because of this, most of us are locked in the fat storing zone, and our fat cells are getting fuller and fuller, which is what you see here. And because this fat is full, we start to gain visceral fat. But like I said, if we get insulin down, we can start burning and accessing our stored fat for energy. And we can force insulin to come down by using insulin lowering methods and strategies, and even taking breaks between meals. This here is a break between our meals. We are prone to snacking, but if we don't snack and take a break, we give insulin a chance to drop and give our body the chance to access the stored fat. A good guide for that would be about a 4-hour break here.